Now, there are 4 questions. We need to find the roots of the following equations by factorization. Roots means its values. Here we have x square plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay. You have to multiply extreme left and extreme right. Here what we have 1 and 6. So you have to multiply 1 and 6 is 6. Okay. This 6 we have to split two number. We have to split two number such that if you multiply, you have to split two number over here, one number and two number. If you multiply, you should get 6, and then if you add, you should get 5. Okay. So if I choose 6 is same as 2 and 3, then if I multiply 2 into 3 is what? 6. If I add these two, then I am having 5. Okay. Therefore, instead of 5x, so this same as x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0. This is called, sometimes we call splitting middle term. Okay. What we are doing is, we are splitting this middle term. Okay. Now from here, I can take x common. If I take x common, x plus 2 plus 3 common, x plus 2 equals to 0. Again, I can take x plus 2 common over here. If I take x plus 2 common, then it will be x plus 3 equals to 0. This into this equals to 0 means either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Means either x plus 2 equals to 0 or x plus 3 equals to 0. It implies x equals to minus 2 or x equals to minus 3. Okay. These are the, we call values or roots of this quadratic equation. It means x equals to 2 satisfies this equation, as well as x equals to minus 3 satisfies this equation. Let's see. Okay. If I substitute x equals to, check. Okay. Checking. When x equals to minus 2 over here, minus 2 the whole square plus 5 into minus 2 plus 6 equals to what? Minus 2 whole square is 4. 5 to is minus 10 plus 6. So 4 plus 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. Okay. So if I start from left hand side, I am getting right hand side. For this, x equals to minus 2. Therefore, x equals to minus 2 is the root of this equation, as well as x equals to minus 3 is the root of these equations. Since x square is there, we should have two values of x. Okay. Now, question number 2 is what we have. We have x square minus 3x minus 10 is equals to 0. As I told you before, multiply extreme left and right. What is coefficient of x square is 1. 1 into minus 10 is, we have minus 10. Okay. We have minus 10. And then we have to split 10 into two number. Okay, minus 10 into two number, such that if I multiply, I should get minus 10. If I add, I should get minus 3. Okay. What about if I do 2 and 5? Okay. 2 and 5. Now, if I give minus over here, okay, then 2 into minus 5 is what? Minus 10. If I add these two, then 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Okay. So, this is same as, this can be written as x square, this factorization, or you can say splitting middle term. Instead of minus 3x, I can say plus 2x minus 5x minus 10 equals to 0. From here, I can take x common. X plus 2 minus 5, x plus 2 is equals to 0. I can take x plus 2 common over here. If I take x plus 2 common, then x minus 5 is equals to 0. This into this equals to 0 means either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. So it means either x plus 2 equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0. This implies x equals to minus 2 or x equals to 5. Okay. These two are the roots for this equation. Similarly, you can substitute x equals to minus 2 over here, and then you will get on the right hand side equals to 0. The same case also. Okay. Now this question, these three is same. Please pause this video and you try it. Okay. I hope you have done it. You have to multiply 6 to the minus 12. Okay. Here we have minus 12, and then you have to split two number. Okay. If I choose 3 and 4, if I give minus 3 over here, you multiply minus 3 into 4, you are getting minus 12. If you add these two, you will get 1. Okay. So this sum can be solved with the help of this factorization. Okay. Now let's solve for, we have 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. Now these are fractions. What we can do is we multiply whole equation by 8 so that this fraction will not come. Okay. So I will do, what I will do is I will multiply whole equation as means left hand as well as right hand side by 8. 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0 into 8 is 0. Okay. The same way you do, you multiply 16 into 1, we have 16. You have to break into two number, okay, such that if you multiply, you should get 16, and if you add, you should get minus 8. Okay. How about this? If minus 4, minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16, and if I add these two, I am getting minus 8. Okay. So this can be written as 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. From there 4x common, if I take, then 4x minus 1 minus 4x minus 1, because minus minus plus. Okay. It implies if I take 4x minus 1 common, then 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Means either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. Means 4x minus 1 equals to 0 or 4x minus 1 equals to 0. Means 4x equals to 1 is implies x equals to 1 by 4. Similarly, here also x equals to 1 by 4. So we have two repeated same value over here x. Okay. From here you can say this is same as 4x minus 1 the whole square equals to 0. If I take square root on both sides, you will get only 4x minus 1. Okay, you will get x equals to 4. Now if you expand this also, you will get this. A minus b whole square means 4 for the 16x square, 4 to the 8x, and then plus 1. Now if you expand this, you are getting this also.